Yes, well, the first thing, you will have to get the background image. So you go to your browser. So here I'm going to type in pixels background photo. So I'm going to click on the first link, our website. It's called pixels.com. So on pixels.com, it has a variety of images. So depending on the image that you want to use, you simply click on that icon for download. And this website, it gives the images at a free cost. You don't pay any money. So after downloading your images, you go to CapCut as you're seeing. Then you click on new project. When you click on new project, you have to select the background image that you want to use. So I look for my background image. I need to use this. Then after selecting the background image, you go ahead and select the video that you want to use. So the video I want to use, let me select the video I want to use. So this is the video I want to use. So I'm going to use this video.
Voila.
You select the video. So you click on add as you're seeing. So once you have finished that, you go ahead, you select the video, then you come down to this downer menu, then you click on overlay. When you click on overlay, our video goes down. So after doing that, you have to go ahead. I'm going to drag my video at the beginning. So I select, then I drag my video like that. So the same applies to the photo. You have to make sure that you drag your photo such that it matches the length of your video. So you click on it, then you simply drag. It is just simple. And all this, you're doing it using your phone. So like that. So once you have matched the photo with the video length, you go ahead, you click on the video again, then you go to the down menu, you click on remove background, then auto remove. So our background has been removed. So once our background has been removed, I can try to move my image in that direction. Then what I will do next, it is to play to see.
Yes, well, thank you so much for watching the tutorials. Sharif, you're IT expert.
I think
so. Today I'm going to show you something interesting. So I'm going to show you how.
If you have liked the output, you can go ahead and do it and export. So you click on the export, then our CapCut, it will begin exporting for you the video. So that's how you're able to duplicate a background in a video. Thank you so much for watching.